Hi, this is Havard and you're watching Nothing Else to Add. The whole point of this channel is to show you how to look at ideas, briefs, problems, and solutions in a novel way. For the first season, we will look at how to use the architectural imagination to solve ideas and briefs creatively in art, design, and advertising. What is the architectural imagination? The architectural imagination is one part of a three-part framework that allows us to understand and imagine ideas in a novel way in order for us to articulate them through sense data for the next person, customer, or user to consume and engage with. Check link below. This is a three-part framework that looks like this. At the center, we have the imagination, which is both in the negative and the positive. For example, if I said imagine what comfort is, you could start imagining all the comfortable spaces in your home, work, or everyday environment. Or you could imagine all the less comfortable spaces in your home, work, or everyday environment. As you started imagining what comfort is, you also started engaging your mind in what its understanding of comfort is. For some people, comfort is a sense of peace, a happy place, or a state of bliss and relaxation, which are all in the positive. A lack of comfort for some people could be a lack of peace, disturbances, or anxiety, which are all in the negative. Once we have imagined and understood what comfort or a lack thereof is, we have to articulate this to the next person. We achieve this through sense data, touch, taste, sight, smell, and hearing, as this is what we use to navigate and make sense of the world. And this is where the beauty of this framework lies. What sounds, objects, sights, scents, and tastes did your mind conjure up? We start seeing the various media which we can use to articulate what we imagine and understand. For example, video engages two senses, which is sight and sound. Copy or text can engage three, as a sound, a sight, and a touch if printed on paper or as braille. Music engages our hearing and sight as a video, while food engages all five. So the next time you have a brief in front of you, I suggest trying this framework out to see how far you could push your ideas and in how many media can it be articulated through. You will find that this framework offers you a consistency you can maintain throughout your creative process and medium of choice. In the next episodes, I will show you how you can use this framework to dissect some of the best brands, products, services, and campaigns ever made. This is Havard Design and you're watching Nothing Else to Add.